All right, so today we will go over the SIPOC generator. So first you come in here and just to go back, the purpose of a SIPOC generator is to identify suppliers, inputs, processes, outputs, and customers. So traditionally you would do this one by one and just input everything. So what we've set up here is you have the SIPOC generator guide. And then if you want more details, you can go here into the full guide. And just so we can see the standard setup, so if you just want to do this and input it manually, you can go in here and have your title, and then you can input your suppliers, your inputs, your processes. But what we've created is an AI portion where you can upload an image or you can type it in. So here I will say create a SIPOC for my procurement process in supply chain. We'll go here and click generate SIPOC fields. And this is being generated. And then it'll prompt you to save it so you don't lose your work. And as you can see here, all of the different fields have been populated. And as you enter a new line, so if you just click enter, that will add a different field for you. So you can see here we have all of our suppliers listed. So we have four suppliers listed, or three suppliers listed. We have the external vendors, service providers, internal procurement department. So all of those are listed here. Then we have our inputs, those are listed, our processes, our outputs, and our customers. And you can export this either as Word or as PDF. And so once you click export as PDF, then you will have that exported so you can view that on your desktop. And so you can come in here, you can adjust it or you can reset it. So if I come here and let's say, for instance, I remove this or I remove this supplier. It hasn't been removed yet, but I can come here and select generate SIPOC and boom, there you see that this has been updated. So this is saving you a lot of time that it would take to just manually create this. So you can just start here with just the AI and then you can go ahead and adjust. So you can take a screenshot of a process map or a standard work instruction, and then these fields would be populated for you, saving you an extra 20 minutes, 30 minutes that it might take to create for an entire process, or at least even give you the head start on the legwork that you would do to create a SIPOC.